morning, greetings to you all in the name of Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And this morning, I would like to share a few words with you from the Bible. From the book of Exodus, chapter 2, we could see how God helped a family in the slavery and in the most difficult times. Exodus chapter 2, verse 1 and 2, it tells about this. Now a man from the house of Levi went and married a Levite woman. The woman conceived and bore a son, and when she saw that he was a fine baby, she hid him 3 months. Dearly beloved brothers and sisters, now we are living in the most difficult times. Each and every day there were cases growing up. The situation is not coming in control. People running out of money, economies going down. The whole world is in an emergency condition. And the whole world is grieving that where it will lead to and what kind of tough times we are yet to face. Among all these situations, and this morning, we could also see that nature is regenerating. Nature is renewing itself. It is blooming. It is growing without human pollution, without much human intervention. And today also in Georges, you could see garden is flourishing. These trees are growing. This piece of land is actually mostly deserted and not kept well, but for almost a year it was growing very nicely, and you could see a banana tree. This was planted in the month of July last year. When it was only planted one small sapling of banana, but now you could see here there are 4 small banana saplings coming. See, the whole world is one way worried how that we are able to cope with, but you could see there is a life promising, there is life regenerating. Dear friends, Israelites were facing a very difficult times. If we see into the same text once again, Exodus chapter 1, the words tells that when the new Pharaoh, who doesn't know about Joseph, came to power, he started to oppress them, he started to trouble them. Exodus chapter 1, verse 8 onwards, it tells, Now a new king arose over Egypt, who did not know Joseph. He said to his people, Look, the Israelite people are more numerous and more powerful than we. Come, let us deal shrewdly with them, or they will increase, and in the event of war join our enemies and fight against us and escape from the land. So they started to deal with them very harshly. They appointed taskmasters and they started to oppress them. Life was so difficult. Day after day they are crying. Life is miserable. There is no happiness. There is no freedom. There is no life to relax and to joy. But among all these situations, there is a Levite who went and married a Levite woman, and then was born Moses. Even in the most difficult times and the tough times, there is life assuring, there is life affirming, and there is life promising. And in this situation, life started to arise. This garden also speaks to us this morning. Though there is so much of peril and challenges outside, but this garden is blooming. There is life affirming. There is God promising us life, that it will continue even in this time. It will grow and it will come up so that all of us would see the goodness of the Lord. And God will rescue us, and God will help us to emerge out of this difficult and tough times. So don't worry, be with us, and God is going to bless each one of us. God is going to heal the land. God will attend to all our intercessory prayers. Once again, I thank both of our brothers who are keeping this garden very well. I request our brothers, they will continue to be with us. Devaya and Mr. Ravi are doing very well. They are doing a wonderful job maintaining it, and we could see how they are keeping the whole premises clean, and it is growing without much interference. Now this is growing and it is refreshing, and you could see it is all kept clean, and also the baptism tank, which is kept very clean. The baptism tank is also maintained well. The whole premises is maintained well. I'm showing this video so that after when you watch this, you could see and feel the presence that every Sunday I used to sit here in the coffee time and used to see this. And I'm glad that I could share a few of these places so that you could see it and be happy. May God bless you. Thank you very much.